Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see about Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate course, which has been recently launched by Microsoft. So before we see about that program, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out. And here is a small update regarding Coursera. So Coursera is a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from 275 plus leading universities and companies like Google, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Duke University, Stanford University, HEC Paris. So a lot of topmost companies and universities in the world are offering online courses across different categories through this Coursera platform. So if you want to purchase any course in Coursera, instead of buying a single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus, because this subscription will give you unlimited access to all the 7,000 plus world-class courses in the platform. And in addition to that, you are also going to get hands-on projects and job-ready certification programs that are offered by big companies like Meta and Google. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus and get it. So now let's move on and see about the Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate course, which has been recently launched by Microsoft. So this is a beginner level program. So this is a beginner level course. So you do not need any prior experience in this field, that is in cybersecurity field, to get started with this cybersecurity analyst certificate course. So anyone interested in learning about cybersecurity can easily enroll in this program and learn from it. And what do you learn in this particular Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate course? It's going to help you become job ready. So you can see here, build job ready skills for an in-demand career in the field of cybersecurity in as little as 6 months. Because if you spend around 10 hours per week, you can complete this entire program in 6 months. That is why they have given here like build job ready skills in 6 months. So if you do it properly, whatever you learn in this particular program, it is going to help you in real world jobs. So if you go at the pace of 10 hours per week, you can complete it in 6 months, but it is completely up to you, because this program offers a flexible schedule. So you can enroll in whenever you want, you can learn whenever you want, you can just learn at your own pace. So there is no time limit. As of now, more than 4,000 students have enrolled in this particular program because this has been recently launched. These numbers will just go up. So try to make use of it as soon as possible and learn from it. So by taking this program, you can understand the cybersecurity landscape. You can learn about the concepts related to security, compliance, and identity solutions. You'll learn about the vulnerabilities of an organization's network. You'll learn to mitigate the attacks on network infrastructures to protect data. You'll learn to develop and implement threat mitigation strategies. So a lot of the technical concepts are going to be covered in this particular program. There are 9 courses inside this particular professional certificate course offered by Microsoft on cybersecurity. And whatever you learn here, it is also going to help you prepare for the industry recognized official Microsoft SC900 certification exam. So this is that particular exam. So whatever you learn in this particular course, it's going to help you for that exam as well. So you can develop skills in different areas like network security, cloud computing security, penetration testing, computer security, incident management, threat mitigation. So just like I mentioned, there are a lot of technical concepts which are going to be covered in the courses which you'll be taking in this particular certification program. And after completing the program, you can get a shareable certificate from Microsoft. You can add it to your resume. You can also put it in your LinkedIn as well. And this has been recently updated, that is recently launched like I said earlier. And the course language will be English, but they are providing subtitles in 30 different languages. You can see that here. They have subtitles in all these languages as well. And the best part about this Microsoft Cybersecurity Professional Certificate program is, apart from what you are going to learn theoretically, that is technically what are concepts you are going to learn, you are also going to work on few projects, and that will give you that real world work experience. So you can get a professional level training from Microsoft. This is not like a normal course. You are going to get a high level training from Microsoft on cybersecurity topics, and you can work on some portfolio ready projects as well. So whatever you work on in this particular program, you can add it in your resume as well. Like I have worked on these projects during this course, so you can add it like that. And you can earn an employer recognized certificate from Microsoft after completing the program successfully. And apart from these benefits, they are also giving you access to the Coursera's job search guide, and you can also use the interview preparation resources that they are giving. You can also opt for resume review, which will provide you with the personalized feedback on your resume and LinkedIn profile as well. So if you purchase this program, you can take these benefits as well. There are 9 courses in this professional certificate course on cybersecurity by Microsoft. We'll see what are those 9 courses, but before that, here they have given few things about the applied learning project. That is the project in which you'll be working on during this particular program. So you'll get different projects during this particular course. So whatever you are going to get, it will include practicing on a real world scenario focused on penetration testing, building in configuration and testing strategy for white box testing of a penetration test on virtual networks, and the real world capstone project, that is the final project, will enable you to demonstrate your cybersecurity analyst skills as well. So now let's move on and see what are those 9 courses inside this particular Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate program. So the first course is Introduction to Computers and Operating Systems and Security. So if you want to know what you'll exactly learn in this particular first course, just click on this drop down. You can see here what are the different topics which are going to be covered in this particular course. And the second course is Introduction to Networking and Cloud Computing. And the third one is Cybersecurity Threat Vectors and Mitigation. And the fourth course is Cybersecurity Identity and Access Solutions using Azure AD. And the fifth one is Cybersecurity Solutions on Microsoft Defender. And the sixth course in this particular program is Cybersecurity Tools and Technologies. And the seventh one is Cybersecurity Management and Compliance. And the eighth one is Capstone Project. You'll get to learn about some advanced cybersecurity concepts, and in addition to that, there will be a Capstone Project as well. And ninth one is about Microsoft SC 900 exam preparation and practice. So these are the 9 courses which are included in this particular Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate. So you can learn about a lot of things. So that is why I said whatever you learn in this particular program, it is going to help you in real world jobs. So that is why I mentioned that earlier, because this program is going to cover a variety of topics. So after learning all these different concepts inside these courses, you'll become job ready automatically in just 6 months. So that is what they are also focusing on. So now let us see how you can enroll in this Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate program. So the first step is to create an account in Coursera. For that, just click on the link in description and come to this program page. Click on this join for free button that you see here at the right top. Give your details like name, email address, and set a password for your account. Click on this join for free and create your Coursera account. And once you have created your account, just log into your account. So if you already have a Coursera account, you know how to do it. So click on login and log into your Coursera account. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So as you can see here, now I have logged into my account. So once you are logged into your account, simply click on this enroll button that you see here, and then you will see a pop-up like this. So here you can see that once you get this program, you will get unlimited access to all the 9 courses. You will get a shareable certificate of completion from Microsoft. And for payment options, they are also providing some EMI options, and there is a 14-day refund period as well. So here just scroll down and choose the time that you need to complete this program. For example, if you need 1 month access, select 1 month. If you need 3 months access, select 3 months. And if you need 6 months, you can just go with the 6 months and click on this continue button. And then you will be directed to the checkout page. So you can simply check the price here, click on this continue to payment option, and you can simply give your details and purchase the program. And now let me tell you how you can also access the course content for free of cost. Only for the certificate you need to pay a certain amount, but if you want to access the content for free, there is a way for it. Let me just show you how you can do it. Just scroll down in this program page and open the course, whichever you want. I'll just go with the first one. Click on it and you'll be directed to the course page. You can see here this course is part of the Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate. So from the course page, click on this enroll for free button. You will see a pop-up which is similar to the one which we saw now, but here under the continue button there will be an option called audit. So you will see here audit the course. So click on this audit and enroll in the course for free of cost. The downside is you will not get the certificate from Microsoft, but you can access the learning materials for free of cost. But there will be few downsides, like certificate and graded assignments will not be accessible. But if you just want to access the materials, that is the learning materials, you can just go with this and you can learn from it. And the third option to enroll in this program is what I would personally do. Go with Coursera Plus. So I just mentioned it during the start of this video. Take Coursera Plus. You will not only get access to this Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate, but there are a lot of other professional certificate programs in Coursera. You can access everything with Coursera Plus. So if you are interested in that, you can just opt for Coursera Plus and get it. And another option is you can just simply use the financial aid option in Coursera and get the program for free, but that is not guaranteed. But anyway, you can just give it a try. If you are lucky enough, you will just get it. So I hope you'll find this Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate program very useful. If you want to get more updates about online courses or programs like this, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.